Hello everybody, welcome to Hans Plays Games YT, and here's a video of me rating Cindy Car Drive. Okay, so we are going to review Cindy Car Drive. I have also downloaded this on mobile. Let's press play, and let's first go to Polygon, the map. I have heard that the soft body physics here is quite good, so let us test it. The song hit hard though. Well, I'm vibing with the music. Wow, 9%. Whoa, that's charging, bro. It's fast. Damn that game. This game is loading fast. Like literally. It's actually loading fast. Damn, my sisters are a brat! And sorry guys, that was unexpected there. Let's go with Tomoka Tofu, which is actually known as the AE86. So let's try it. The hatchback. Oh, good animations. This guy's good. Let's try crashing into it. Oh, they're right. It's soft. Wow. But not as soft as Beam and Gino. So let's move on to another map. I will decide what map we are going to do. Now, we were just testing the physics of the game. Not gonna lie, it was actually good. It's actually soft body physics, but not as soft as Beam and G. Let's go climb. Yeah, this climb, I got a great feedback. Music's good, man. Like literal good. I'm vibing right here. Hey. This music, the best. Ooh, that vibe. Okay, now it's ended. Let's go with Recomini. Oh, Coco Melon Car. I wonder if it changes. Wait, no, it's just a baby. Coco Melon. I just borrowed Coco Melon's car. What's wrong with Coco Melon's car? Oh, goodness. I fixed that real quick. Okay, now it's Elegance Rose. This good. Let's try Scott G. This guy seems familiar. I forgot what movie it's from. Is this the DeLorean? Oh, I don't think so. You guys comment below what movie this is. If it's not from a movie, then I will make one. Hold on. Oh, that's physics. That's real car physics. This car is destroyed, it's bent. Oh, this guy. Dang, I'm not gonna lie, the physics are good. Okay, let's have one last crash right here. And in the end of the video, I'm going to break. Oh. He flips. Oh, the front's gonna crash. Not exactly. That was good. Okay, now let's get to the menu and I'll be rating it. the rating's past 5 or over 5, then it's good. If it's below 5, then it's below average, is bad. If it's over 5, then I'll keep posting on this. I'll keep posting about this. Okay, so the rating is 10 out of 10. Honestly, if it's out of 20, I would rate it 21. Yeah, this guy's good. I would recommend it to download. You guys, you need to download this. Yeah, this game is fun. This game is fun. It has various cars, but not a lot. And has various maps, but not a lot. Not a lot, but it's very fun. Honestly, it's the GOAT game. You can download it on mobile, on PC, on iOS, on Android, on any brand. Like, you can APK it on mobile. And this, I downloaded it from the internet. It's not correct, but it's legit. Okay guys, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.